Okay, so think about this. My future job, it probably doesn't even exist yet.
I mean, technology is changing so fast, and the careers that exist today are evolving right now.
And guess what? I'm gonna be ready for them.
Butler Tech and Miami University have teamed up with some of the biggest names in Ohio's manufacturing industry. Together, they are creating something huge, literally.
Over 70,000 square feet of space built to train students like me and the professionals who are already out there in the workforce.
This place isn't just a building, it's a launch pad, a game changer. It's where students like me learn the skills that make us ready to jump into real careers from day one.
And for people already working, it's a place to level up and stay ahead in this fast-moving world of advanced manufacturing technology.
But here's the thing, we need your help to make it even bigger, even better.
We have the space for the equipment, training, and opportunities, but we're looking for your support.
To enable students like me to impact the future right here in Ohio.
Ohio is built on the strength of its people and powered by innovation.
This is where it starts. This is Butler Tech. This is Miami University.
We are building the future together.